Hello. In our Alma 403 class today, we're going to look at some more details related to resource management in Alma. Specifically, we're going to look at some options related to repository search, setting pre-search limits when searching the repository, facets, viewing options, and more. Going to switch through to Alma. I've logged in as Kathy Owen, our acquisitions and cataloger staff member. Kathy has the option of searching the repository from the menu, from this particular option, but we also have a quick search box here at the top of the screen in the persistent menu bar, and she can choose to search all titles, just physical items, electronic portfolios, digital files, etc. And this, of course, is based on the user roles that she has assigned to her. We'll just choose to search all titles, and I will just put in a simple search query for the word history. So let's have a look what we see on our results screen. First of all, on the left hand side we can see that we have facets. I have the option of now setting a facet on, for example, electronic titles only digital titles, or only physical titles. I can limit by material type, by language, or by publication year. We can see that Alma has automatically sorted my result list with a primary and a secondary sort. The default is by ranking, but if I wish to change that, all I need to do is just choose another option for the primary and the secondary sort. The first result that we can see exactly matches our search query, so we can see an example here of ranking coming into play. And we can see by the community icon that this is something that was brought across from our community zone. We can see that it is an electronic version and it belongs to this particular electronic package. If we look at the details related to this particular item, the hypertext links, I can see the list of portfolios related to this package. I can look at license information linked to this particular journal title. If we move on to the second item in our list, we can see that this is an item, a physical version item. It tells me that I have 2 copies in my library and collection, but only 1 copy is available. If I want to look at more information about the items, why only 1 copy is available, I can click on the item link, and I will be able to see that 1 item is currently in acquisitions, has not yet arrived in the library, and 1 item is in place. I can just click on the back button in order to go back to the list that I'm looking at. Because I'm a cataloger, I have the option of being able to edit any record that I see when I'm looking in the repository search. I'm going to search for another record, and here we can see a title of a record. We've got 1 result, and what I want to show you here is this little message here. It's telling me that this is locked, this particular record is locked for editing by a user with the username exec. You can see now that I have no option to edit this record because it is being currently edited by one of my colleagues. If I have the relevant role, I'm able to make a request for this particular item, and we can see that we can have different types of requests. Maybe I just want to request the item because I want to move it from one location to another. It could be a temporary move or a permanent move. We can make this differentiation. Or maybe I want to make a request because a patron has requested that we digitize a chapter or a part of the book, or he wants us to place a request for him in order for him to be able to pick it up at the circulation desk. So this concludes our brief overview of searching the repository in Alma.